Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add link to TikTok bio. To add link to TikTok bio, you need to have 1000 followers on your TikTok account. If you have 1000 followers on your TikTok, then follow the steps and watch this video until the very end. Now firstly, open up the TikTok app and head over to the profile section on the bottom right of your screen. Now in order to add link to TikTok bio, you need to switch personal account to business account. Now to do so, you need to tap on three lines on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy option. Now choose the very first option, account, and there you can see switch to business account option. Tap on it and there tap on next. Choose a category that suits your account. And there you are all set. Now tap on small X button on the top left. Then from your profile section, tap on edit profile button. If you have 1000 followers on your TikTok account, you may see website instead of email. Now if you have 1000 followers on your account, tap on website and then enter your link. Now once you're done with entering your email, tap on save button on the top right and there you will be able to see link instead of email. And that's all for this video. If this video was useful to you, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, and also comment down below what type of video should we create next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.